Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. Today we're doing refried beans. You can use these to make your burritos, to make your nachos, to make any kind of Mexican food that you like. I hope you enjoy this recipe. For our refried beans, I have some black beans which I have soaked overnight and boiled with onion. You can even use Rajma instead. First step is I'm going to heat some butter in a pan. Once my butter is heated, I'm going to add in some finely chopped garlic. To this, I'm going to add some finely chopped onion. When the onions are a little translucent, I'm going to add my boiled black beans or Rajma, whatever you're using. To this, I'm adding some taco seasoning. And just a dash of Tabasco for that little tinge. I'm going to let this cook well, and while this is cooking, I have a masher and I'm going to start mashing my beans. So we mash our beans, but we don't want them absolutely pureed. We just want them a little mashed. And once that is done, our refried beans are ready to be used. The refried beans are ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe.